There are now reports that the meeting between President Xi and President Trump, November meeting, is going to be pushed back for December. There seems to be that the case that phase one of a trade war deal, potential trade war deal, is now uncertain once again. So this back and forth is moving the currencies. Euro-yen is moving a little bit lower. And the other pair I want to look for the day would be the pound against the Swiss franc. And this is because we are really holding our breath to see what is the message from Mr. Carney today and what the interest rate, the decision would know, like 99% would be a hold. But we really need to look at his speech, the citing of Brexit, uncertainty and economic troubles, and what's happening with inflation. So, starting with Euro-Yen, let me just get back quickly there. Starting with Euro-Yen, we've been, this is like an ending triangle over here, right? So, which we ended down around the 116 level. And since then, we've talked about that becoming a reversal point. Now we've seen wave one of the minor two, and then we are in the midst of wave three. Then we should see 4 and 5, of course, which is going to be the case around 128. So this is quite a few pips away from the current level. Within wave three, we have a minute wave, of course. We had a leading wave first wave over here. Now this correction becomes a little bit more complex. It looks to me that this is a W, X, and a Y. Okay. And with W ending down here, X and Y potentially becoming a zigzag. Now, if that is the case, it means that we are most likely going to end this correction down to anywhere between 120.13 and 119.45 or so, but most likely the case will be above 120, okay, because we don't want to go below that level, most likely, in order to complete a very nice bullish supported wave minor 3. Now, on the shorter term, and if we check the extension of the minute wave, we're looking for wave 3 going up to 122, 700, 123, then 4 and 5 ending around 124.34, or even around 123.80. 5, which is the extension of the minor wave. So now we can move to the GBPCHF, pound against Swiss franc. A very similar pattern. A very similar pattern here with let me delete that. With this move being a correction, A, B over here, and wave C having ended down around 116.80 or so. We've had a very similar move here with minor wave 1, 2, and currently we are heading up for minor wave 3. That can end around 134, which is the 161. 8 Fibonacci extension of the first wave. Now within the shorter term, the minute wave here, we had again a leading first wave. The second one looks again a little bit more complicated. We have an A, B, C here, and then again one A, B, C, which is 2 flat patterns pretty much, right? Now the case is that we have a W, X, and a Y, which could have ended here, and now we can go up, break to the upside for wave 3, that is going to end around 132, and then follow with 3, 4, and 5 that has an end to around 135. Or we could continue being complex, which means that we're going to get another wave X up here, another wave Z over here, and then start moving higher. Now, the other scenario, of course, would be that this is a flat pattern and this one is becoming a zigzag, which means that we're going to see a further move to the downside. If that was the case, we're probably looking to get down to around, and let me use these two, to around, so we've got this A, B, C, A, then there and there, to around 127, or even down to 125 to 100s. Okay, no, excuse me, that's not the right one. 126.28, that's the correct one. So thank you for watching.